Hey everyone. So, are you trying to install Grammarly but keep getting an installation error? Maybe the download fails, the setup stops, or the app just won't install at all. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you just want to get writing. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Grammarly installation errors and get it installed properly in 2026. First, make sure your computer meets Grammarly system requirements. Check your operating system version, browser compatibility, and available storage space. If your system doesn't meet the requirements, the installation may fail. Next, restart your computer. Sometimes background processes or temporary system glitches can block installations, and a simple restart can fix the problem. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewall settings can interfere with installation. Try temporarily disabling your security software and then run the Grammarly installer again. Make sure you're using the latest Grammarly installer from the official website. Outdated or corrupted installer files can cause installation errors. Right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer full permission to make changes to your system and can resolve many installation issues. If it still doesn't install, clear temporary files from your system. These leftover files can sometimes block new installations, so clearing them allows the setup to run smoothly. And that's it. Most Grammarly installation errors can be fixed by checking system requirements, downloading the latest installer, or running it as administrator. If this tutorial helped you, check out more quick tech guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.